Creating a passive income is like a dream for many people. Because they hear from other people that by creating passive income, you can earn more in less effort. But even after that, people are not able to create passive income. Because they do not know that the beginning of all this, how to do this, is neither taught to us in school, nor our parents tell us, nor is it mentioned in college. Here only you are told one way to live your life in that job. Apart from this, no one talks about any other source. But in today's video, I am going to tell you 10 such passive income sources in which you can earn very good money without getting much reward. So guys, today's video is very important for you. So every single point of this video, understand it very carefully. So let's begin. First of all, let me tell you what is the meaning of passive income. So see, you must have known that there are two types of income, active income and passive income. Active income is where you get money as long as you are working. For such reason, if your work is stopped, then your money also stops coming from there. And passive income is this income from where we do not have to be active to earn. That means you do not need to keep working all the time to earn passive income. But does it mean that you do not have to do any work at all? No, it is not like that. Even though your income source is passive, but still you have to give some time here so that you can manage that passive income source. Now in some cases this time is more, in some cases it is very less. Now this thing depends on how much time you have spent by yourself to build your passive income. Let me clear one more misconception here, that many people think that they have a small business or side business as their passive income source. But no, it is not that even if a side business or passive income is your own. But until other people do not handle the work of yours, then it is your only active income source. Because still you have to give time there to earn money. So I hope all the basic concepts of passive income will be clear to you here. And finally, now let me tell you how many ways are there to generate passive income. Also, I will tell you how much is its opportunity in the present time, and how much is the risk. Number 1, vending machine. Well, those who do not know what a vending machine is, let me tell them that it is an automatic machine that you do not need to be present all the time to operate. Once you have to add some product to it, like cold drink, snacks, or anything to eat or work, then this machine will do all the rest work. Vending machines are used in foreign countries even today more than they were used earlier. But on the other hand, if I talk about a country like India, then you must have seen that you rarely get to see vending machines here. Whether you believe it or not, the reason behind this is that most of the people are uneducated or undisciplined. And you must have also seen that there are many people who damage public property or spoil its parts without any reason. And this has happened with many vending machines in the last few years. For this reason, there is absolutely no vending machine there. But we can't blame everyone for doing this, because there are many public places where no one damages any public property, be it a gym, a restaurant, or a shopping mall, maybe store. And if you buy a vending machine and tie it up and get your vending machine installed in their property, then your vending machine will also be safe and you will continue to earn income from there for long term. Number 2, store other people's stuff. There will definitely be many people around you who will have a business, and being a big business, they will have more products coming there. Now there are some people who adjust their product in their home or factory itself, but still many people have a lot of problem in managing them. That means they do not have much space, or even if there is, then there are other important things in it. So if there is a person around you who is facing almost the same problem, then that person can become the source of your passive income for you. Just there should be enough space in your house or hall, which is enough for him. If you do not want people to come to your warehouse or hall, then this method will prove to be very good for you. Because you will not live in that place, but only the goods will remain. And you will also get money for keeping that stuff. Because if someone else's belongings will now be in your house, then the entire responsibility will be yours again. It is the responsibility of this thing, that whatever is kept in your garage, it should not suffer any kind of damage. If it is damaged even a little, then you will have to compensate it completely. Number 3, become a business partner. Now what happens many times, we want to start a business, and for that we also have enough money. But due to paucity of time, we are not able to start any business. The reason can be behind this: your job, your other business, or your studies. So if you are also able to relate this thing to yourself, then this option is for you. If you are not able to give time to yourself for any new business, then you can do a partnership with another person where business and money will have half of both. You get many benefits of a partnership here. First, if you discuss it about it, then you will have to spend very little time. Second, you will have not one but two businesses. If you are doing a job, then there will be one job and one business. We know that where two people are in partnership, there is a lot of chances of conflict, because it is not necessary that the way you handle that business, the person in front will also like your method. There will be something which you will not like, which will not make much effect to both of you, but your business will definitely be closed. So in advance, you should choose someone who will help you for this work. Really think that yes, it can be trusted. Number 4, use your car as your asset. We all know this thing that a car is not an asset but a liability for us, because after buying it, our expenses increase. But if I tell you that you still can use your car as an asset, you must have seen that whenever you go out for a picnic, some people are definitely on the way, where their and your destination is absolutely the same. You can give a lift to those people and charge a commission from them, and for doing so, there are many applications for this that will help you in this, like Uber, Pool-less Rider, BlaBlaCar. If you go somewhere alone, then basically all your expenses will be alone, but if you give lift to someone then and talks your way to it, will be easily deducted and you will continue to earn income. But for this work, you need to be a little careful. You have to first see that the person you are sitting in your car is a genuine person. I hope you must have understood. Number 5. Create a course and sell it. If you have deep knowledge of a topic or feel that you can explain a topic very easily, then you can prepare a step-by-step one course and solder it out through a website like Udemy or Skillshare. The biggest benefit of selling online courses is that you can sell it not only to a selected number of people, but also to the world's wild. All you have to do is set an amount for that course according to your hard work, and publish it on a website like Udemy, Skillshare, or Coursera. The better and easier your course is, the more people will buy it. Now, it is not that I told you this thing today and you gave it to the public yesterday. No. To teach any topic to others, you have to learn that topic very well yourself. In which time, efforts and money will be all three things. And once you publish your course, you also have to see what people's reaction has been on it. If people are giving negative reaction on it, then it will be the responsibility to republish that course in a more simple and easy way. As you invoking yourself in this field, in the same way your experience and your income will also increase. Number 6, YouTube channel, because YouTube is a very good example of a passive income in my eyes. In the last few years since Jio has come, the craze of videos has increased a lot in India. No matter what age group people are from, everyone likes to watch videos. Then even if it is in the form of knowledge, information, entertainment, or in the form of education. Now in such a situation, this opportunity comes to many people. Keeping in mind the requirements of the people, they start making videos on them. And for this, it is not absolutely necessary that you have to leave your business or your job. Whenever you get free time, you can make videos on YouTube by utilizing that time. After working consistently, when your channel is monetized, YouTube will become your second source of income along with your job or business. Now many people complain that we make already videos on YouTube and also work hard. But in spite of all this, neither our channel would have grown nor the views come on it. So look, there is a very simple answer to this. Earlier there was a time when anyone used to make a channel of any category and used to grow it. But today, 2022, if I talk about it, in today's time there are more than 5.1 crore creators on YouTube. And it is increasing every day about 1 lakh more, which means overall I mean to say that now there's no shortage of creators. So if you are not creating something unique here, then why will anyone come to see your content? Because the audience already has that creator. Those who have made content like yours better than you. And this is the region that even if you want, your videos do not get whims, which you get demotivated and quit YouTube itself. And I would also like to add the second region here, which is whether you believe it or not. Luck matters a lot on YouTube, because where people are unable to grow even after working very hard, while some people grow so quickly without much effort. But if your luck is good and your contact is also unique with other people, then once you have grown, you can earn so much from here that you would not even imagine. And here you will not be forced at all about your time. You can upload a video on it whenever you want, but the condition is that the video should be valuable to the audience. The next passive income source, which is somewhere connected to YouTube, that is affiliate marketing. If once your channel grows, then you will have not one or two, but many ways to earn money, and one of them is affiliate marketing, where you tell your audience about a product. In return, you are given some commission on the sale of that product. Meaning you are earning from YouTube, but your income will increase more by doing affiliate marketing whenever you are affiliate a product on your channel. First, make sure that this product is equally beneficial to your audience, as much as you have told in the video. Otherwise, if you try to mislead your audience in the matter of money, then it will not only affect your channel, but also your overall image. Then neither you will be able to earn money from YouTube nor from affiliate marketing. But if you are affiliate of a genuine product and people are liking it, then it will also make people trust you and your earnings will also increase. Number 8. Dividend stock. Dividend would be a net profit of a company, which you can assume to the shareholders of that company. A bonus is given and whoever has more shares, according to the same amount of dividend he gets. For example, suppose you have 100 shares of Reliance Company, on which if this company gives you a dividend of 10 rupees on a share, then your portfolio will increase by 100 into 10, that is 1,000 rupees. The stock market is such a thing, where investing money is not an easy task, because investing money at this place for this, you need all three things. If you enter this field without knowledge, then you are almost sure to lose here, but if you have a proper knowledge of share market, then you can invest your money. With the money made, they can earn income from the profits of the company as well as dividends. There are many companies in India that provide dividend to its shareholders from time to time. Number 9. Write an ebook. When many people hear the name of ebook, they think that we have to write a book of 500 to 1,000 pages, but it is not so. Yes, it is true that if you are master of any topic or any subject like cooking, designing, computers or any other language, maybe you have to create more pages to explain it. But apart from all this, there are many such topics on which you can write your book. As if you had such an incident with someone. If someone who was very fond or was interested, then by explaining it in detail, you can write a book on it, and according to your efforts, putting a price on it, you can upload it to Amazon Kindle. If people show interest in your book, Amazon Kindle algorithm will recommend it to more people, and the more people buy it, the more you will continue to earn from here. Now I have told you all the positive things, but for some reason people do not take interest in that book, then your hard work and efforts will go in vain, and you will become very demotivated. So one of the best advice is that when you think of making a book, then at that time it should not be in your mind that you are doing this for passive income, because if you are thinking only about money, thinking and writing an ebook, no matter how hard you work, you will not be able to bring the interest that people want in that book. So if you have to make an ebook, then you should only think about the book. The 10th way is for those people who can import a little more investment to make passive income. And this is the way to start a gym. If you think deeply, then a gym is a very good source of creating passive income, but for this you should have a lot of space and all the equipments of the gym. If you can afford the purchase, then it will be a one-time investment just for you. Then the more people keep joining your gym, the more your income will continue to increase, and gym is such a job where you do not need to give your whole day or your whole night. You have to give time in the morning, and then after you have to give time directly in the evening. The biggest risk is your investment in it. If you start your gym in a place where the craze of fitness is absolutely negligible, then you will have to advertise your gym a lot, which will cost more and more money. If once you get this work going, then without you being involved in this work, you can earn a lot from here, because you do not need to work hard to manage the gym. All the methods I have told you, all these methods are not for everyone. The way that fits in your lifestyle, your skills and your passion. You choose the same method, it will keep your interest in your work, and your earning will also increase. If you found this video a bit informative, then do like and share it. You guys can tell me in the comment on which topic you want the next video, and for now that's all. Stay safe, stay healthy. Take care.